Are you experiencing increased thirst and urination, fatigue, blurred vision, unexplained weight loss, or slow wound healing? These could be early symptoms of diabetes. By catching and managing diabetes early, you can reduce your risk of developing complications and lead a healthier, more active life. In this video, you will learn 5 early symptoms of diabetes and 5 amazing foods that can help you control blood sugar level. Increased thirst and urination. When blood sugar levels are high, the kidneys have to work harder to filter out the excess sugar, which can lead to increased urine production and dehydration. This can cause a person with diabetes to feel thirsty more often and need to urinate more frequently, especially at night. Fatigue. High blood sugar levels can also make a person with diabetes feel tired and sluggish. This is because the body is not able to use glucose, sugar, in the blood for energy effectively, which can lead to a lack of energy and feelings of fatigue. Blurred vision. High blood sugar levels can cause the lens of the eye to swell, which can lead to blurred vision. This symptom can occur in both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Unexplained weight loss. When blood sugar levels are high, the body may start to break down fat and muscle for energy instead of glucose. This can cause a person with diabetes to lose weight, even if they are eating more than usual. Slow wound healing. High blood sugar levels can also affect the body's ability to heal wounds and fight off infections. This is because high blood sugar can damage blood vessels and nerves, which can impair circulation and decrease immune function. Before we dive into the next topic, we would like to take a moment to ask for your support. If you find this video informative and helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll be helping us reach a wider audience and provide more valuable content like this. So, hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest videos. Now, let's get back to the topic at hand. Apple cider vinegar. Some studies suggest that taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before meals may help lower blood sugar levels. This is because vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and decrease the rate at which sugar is absorbed into the bloodstream. However, it's important to note that more research is needed to confirm the effectiveness of apple cider vinegar in managing blood sugar levels, and it should not be used as a substitute for medication or medical advice from a healthcare provider. Cinnamon. Some research suggests that consuming cinnamon may help lower fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon contains compounds that may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Chromium. This mineral is important for insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Some studies suggest that taking chromium supplements may help improve blood sugar control in people with diabetes. Chromium may also help improve cholesterol levels and decrease inflammation in the body. Avocado. Avocado is high in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, which can help improve blood sugar control. The fiber and healthy fats in avocado can help slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which can help prevent blood sugar spikes. Additionally, the antioxidants in avocado may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation in the body. Garlic. Garlic may help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, according to some studies. Garlic contains compounds that may help improve glucose metabolism and reduce inflammation in the body. So there you have it, guys, some natural ways to lower blood sugar. Do you have any other tips to share? If you have, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.